Alright, they said no to the orange one. They're like, let's take the Batman. Let's go. Alright.
And the seat adjustments are on the left.
On the left. Whereabouts?
Just down on the left, like at the front of the seat.
The front? Gotcha. Slide it back a little bit.
And then you can adjust that too. You want to do a toggle down on the left.
This should be, this is good.
Yeah?
It's comfortable.
Just put
Brake.
your foot on the brake hard and press that. And then I'll get into sport mode. Yeah, there you go.
Alright.
You want it manual, I guess. Yeah, you're in manual. So,
Yeah,
so once your park brake's down near your left knee, just press that gently. Just press it. Right, you're off, and you're in first gear. Now, this you can go forward. You can press forward to go down through the gears as well with our paddles.
Oh,
You can press forward and back on the same paddle.
All right.
Yeah, but yeah, we're good. We're good to go.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Good.
Good, yeah. Fuck, hopefully we're not following this truck the whole way. There's some little bends.
Is this automatic?
Automatic what?
Adjustment.
No.
Okay. I didn't want to
No, you're good.
bang it up. Straight here?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
For a V6, because that's why we test drove these today instead of the 750. People go, oh no, got to be a V8. They go, no. I didn't get into a 750, they took this.
Okay.
Because this has, your Apple CarPlay, your lane departure warning, your blind spot, your wireless phone charger.
The whole knot, yeah. This is like, it's so comfortable. It could be.
Daily driver.
Yeah. What is this world coming to? I love
Daily
it.
driver.
Oh, it's beautiful. You can feel the brakes are phenomenal. Acceleration.
A lot of people don't like the brakes. They go, oh, you're going to press too hard.
Woo. You know, you gotta go. You want to go fast, you better be able to stop.
Yeah. It's very composed on the road.
Definitely, I could feel it.
Yeah. It doesn't, like bumps don't unsettle it.
Yeah. You staying straight here?
Yeah, keep going straight.
Okay. Okay.
Keep going around the bends.
Okay.
Then we'll follow that, go back, move back around now.
Gotcha. Is this a 25?
Yeah.
Oh, they're over there.
Yeah, but we still might get caught now. We're going to move all the way over. What the fuck happened there? There must have been an accident.
Oh, yikes. That's crazy.
How does that happen on a straight bit of road?
Someone not paying attention.
And then we get like that, it's like a paoli exit, and you just get off the paoli.
Get all, okay. Get a little space. Oh, gotcha. All right.
You got time to get across. People love just dawdling along, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to get off here.
I gotcha. Right up here?
Yeah, and then we just need to the right. We'll open up the app so we can get out of the keys. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here we go. Unlock. There we
I need one of those buttons. I'll get one.
go. Did he give you a bag?
No.
Get one when you go in.
All right.
It's just got a brochure, it's got my card, it's got Mclaren socks in there and shit.
Perfect. Awesome. Yeah, man, this is nice. Like you said, I could feel the handling. It's glued to the road.
So we
Corners.
still use hydraulic steering too, see?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll give you that bag when you come inside. Awesome. Yeah, normally I just put it in neutral.